Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Good morning. I hope you all will be good. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. We'll discuss about all those people who wish to go back to their countries permanently. Those who want to leave Oman permanently. If they have any fine, any type of fine, they doesn't need to pay now. Oman government, Ministry of Labor, they have already announced that all people who will leave Oman permanently for good, they doesn't need to pay any fine if there is any fine against them. Like they did some rules violation, some minor rules violation. Only if there is no crime, then okay. If they have done any crime, they have to face that sentence. They have to face trial, court, everything. And all those who have some other type of fines, like even if they are illegal, for illegal people, like if they are overstaying and they have to pay a fine, for them till now it's not much clear, because government they did not share more detail about it. They just announced that everyone who will leave Oman until 31st of December, I mean end of the year 2020, they will not need to pay any fine. Earlier, all those who was leaving, they have to clear their fines, then they will get exit. But all those people who will keep working in Oman and they used to go and come back, they have to pay. Whenever they will leave Oman, they have to pay their fine, then they can return and they can leave. So it's very good news for all of them. Those who was stranded, many of them, they have got their visa expire. They did not renew. Either they was not having money, either they was involved some in violation, some rule violation, you can say some traffic violation, or some other minor violation, Muscat municipality, lot of fines there, so they doesn't need to pay any fine now. There is another news also regarding visa fees. I'll make another video and we'll share that one.